HR Academy is a one-of-a-kind program in the industry. The Academy provides an opportunity for aspiring master's graduates from business schools across the world to pursue a career in the human resources function at Greif. Organizations have different strategies on how they approach talent development. At Greif, our stated philosophy is to build talent from the ground up by providing them with an engaged, diverse and world-class workforce that can help the organization execute on its build to last strategy. This is a unique program where the candidates come in and learn multiple facets of not just human resources, but the ability of human resources to help impact business outcomes. A typical graduate who starts in the academy will go through 3 rotations in a 2-year window. These rotations will expose these candidates to the plethora of opportunities available inside human resources. Greif, being a global organization that operates in over 40 countries, provides a unique opportunity for these professionals to come in and work with leaders from different cultures, and that shapes and makes you a well-rounded, holistic, global human resources professional as you graduate from the academy. We get an opportunity to celebrate our HR graduates. During the graduation ceremony, you will hear directly from the CEO of the organization, and you'll also get an opportunity to bring your family and friends to be a part of the graduating ceremony, and you will get an opportunity to celebrate your success along with the entire global human resources fraternity. If that does not excite you, please tell me what will.
The HR Academy was my training ground for becoming a well-rounded HR professional. It allowed me to test out the different areas of human resources to determine what I liked and what I was good at. And I didn't have to switch jobs or switch companies in order to do that. Now, when I receive a request from a business leader or from a functional leader, when I'm asked to speak to a group of people or provide guidance or support, I'm a well-rounded generalist because of the Academy program, and I'm able to respond to requests for guidance well and with confidence because of what I learned during my time in the Academy.
I chose the HR Academy because it offers a unique opportunity to gain experience in 3 distinct HR functions within just 2 years. The chance to work in diverse roles with varying responsibilities, collaborate with teams around the world also appealed to me, all while having the support from HR leaders, program managers, and fellow Academy associates throughout the journey.
I would say it's the fact that you need to start feeling comfortable with being uncomfortable. Because of the rotational nature of this program, you only get a certain amount of time to familiarize yourself with the tasks and responsibilities. And I think because the rotational program doesn't allow you to stay in that comfort zone for too long, you learn how to adapt, you learn how to learn quickly, but you also learn how to then apply these learnings to the next challenge in the next rotation.
My time with the HR Academy for the past 2 years has given me many keen insights. However, if I had to choose one key takeaway, then undoubtedly that would be the significance of continuous improvement. I worked on projects that required me to sharpen my existing skills like Excel, while also stepping into new roles where I learned entirely new skills such as sourcing and recruiting. Aside from that, I also had access to opportunities that not only supported my own growth, but allowed me to contribute to the development of my colleagues. Ultimately, continuous improvement has become a mindset which I fully embrace, both for myself and the environment I work in. And a mantra that we have always been taught is to leave every situation better than we found it. And the concept of continuous improvement that I gained from the HR Academy just reinforces that.